Good morning to my beloved teacher, Mr. Ray Albert Indiano, and to my classmate, good morning. I will introduce you my plan meal project. I will start it for the breakfast. So this is my breakfast. Banana. Bananas are highly nutritious and provide a variety of essential nutrients. We have carbohydrates, fiber, potassium. Bananas are a versatile and nutrient-dense food, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. And we have sauteed bitter melon or palaya with egg. Retains a variety of important nutrients. Through cooking can cause some loss of vitamins, especially heat-sensitive ones like vitamin C. There have vitamin A, beta carotene, we have folate, vitamin B9, and we have vitamin C. Sauteing bitter melon can help retain many of these nutrients while enhancing its flavor. And we have rice. Rice is a staple food in many cultures and provides various nutrients. We have carbohydrates, protein, B vitamins, and minerals. Overall, rice is a good source of energy and provides essential vitamins and minerals, with rice being more nutrient dense due to its higher fiber, vitamin, and mineral content. And we have eggs. Eggs are highly nutritious and considered as a complete food source due to the wide variety of nutrients they offer. We have protein, fat, and cholesterol. Eggs are incredibly versatile and provide a wide array of essential nutrients. And we have milk. Milk is a highly nutritious beverage that provides a wide range of essential nutrients. We have protein, fat, carbohydrates, lactose, and vitamin. Milk is a nutrient-dense beverage that provides a wide array of essential nutrients, particularly for bone health, muscle repair, and overall growth and development. Fortified version of milk also offer added vitamin D and other important nutrients. Good afternoon to my beloved teacher, Mr. Ray Albert Indiano, and to my classmate, good afternoon. And now I will introduce you my plan meal project for the lunch. And I have mangoes. Mangoes are delicious and nutritious tropical fruit packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. We have carbohydrates, sugar, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, calories, and water content. And I have eggplant. Eggplant is a low-calorie vegetable that provides a variety of important nutrients, particularly fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. We have carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, calories, and water content. And I have here a scrambled eggs with tomatoes. Scrambled eggs with tomatoes is a nutritious dish that combines the protein and healthy fats from eggs with the vitamins and antioxidants from tomatoes. And I have Energen. Energen easily replenishes the water and electrolytes lost by sweating. Energen can be used by everyone from top athletes to sports enthusiasts for various purposes. We have vitamins, minerals, reduced iron, vitamin B6, vitamin B2, and vitamin A. Hi, I'm back again. Good evening to my beloved teacher, Mr. Ray Albert Indiano. Good evening. I will introduce you my plan meal project for the dinner. So this is my dinners. I have nutrients in apples and bananas. Both apples and bananas are highly nutritious fruits, but they offer slightly different nutrient profiles. In the apples, macronutrients, we have calories, carbohydrates, fiber, sugars, protein, and fat. In the bananas, we have calories, carbohydrates, fiber, sugars, protein, and fat. And I have eggplant, also known as a talong, is a low-calorie vegetable that provides a variety of important nutrients, particularly fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. We have carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, calories, water content. Eggplant is nutrient-dense food that provides a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants while being low in calories and fat. It's also very versatile and can be grilled, baked, stewed, or used in many dishes. And I have Chicken Joy. Chicken Joy, a popular fried chicken dish, typically consists of breaded and deep fried chicken pieces. The nutrient content will depend on the size of the portion, cooking method, and any sides or sauces served with it. We have protein, fat, carbohydrates from the breading, cholesterol, sodium, vitamins, minerals, calories, and fiber. Chicken Joy provides a good source of protein, but it is high in fat, sodium, and calories, making it more of an indulgent or occasional meal rather than an everyday health food. Pairing it with healthier sides like vegetable or a salad can help balance the meal.